All right. These gumballs are for April, a customer who played the $20 gumball a couple days ago and won that big leaguer baseball bat. April, good luck. Break the bank. Oh, we'll get to that. That's not a piece of paper. We'll get to that. That's not a piece of paper. We'll get to that. Piece of paper. Piece of paper. All right. So the first one it's not a piece of paper. Oh, it's a little flip top. Boom. Bow. Fire truck ashtray stash jar. Boom. Fire truck. What? Little ashtray. This is like a $44 piece, y'all. Okay. Boom. What? Put that later in there for you. Bow. Oh, and fancy green table lighter. What? Let me get that. Let me get the, oh, okay. What table lighter that is not green, as Gal just told me. I guess it's more like a marble brown, I don't know.
It's brown.
It's brown. Okay. Well, boom. Look at that. Bronze and brown. It don't matter. This is cool.
It's cool.
It's cool.
That's what matters.
Bam. Little come up off the gumball machine. Let go.